Moving on to next is what are the three line of defenses one could see in an organization? So, categorically speaking, you would have seen there are IT functions and there are CISO functions or cybersecurity functions. But apart from that, you also have a third line which is called internal audit. So that comprises of all the three defenses lines. Does is the governance work for organization to ensure cybersecurity controls are in place? Starting with first line of defense, what are those first line of defense areas? Are the business functions and IT functions who are actually the owner of technologies, assets, and they are the one who manages day-to-day risk which arises from these technologies. The role also is to define and implement cybersecurity controls within the organization.